this this is a cake from Jogja. This is for the taste is so very nice and sweet. You can see with cheese on the chocolate. There is a cheese, small cheese and chocolate. Under the cheese a chocolate with sweet chocolate. The taste is so very good and so very nice. Okay, enjoy eat this food with your family or with your friend. So you can enjoy this cake, bolu cake from Tugu Jogja. This is so very nice and so very sweet. Okay, you can see the price is not expensive. It's so very cheap. That is my opinion. This is from Indonesia. Thank you very much.